This is a female stellar sea lion, the world's largest species of sea lion. This sea lion is just super curious about my camera. Sea lions, though like all wildlife need to be respected, are generally very curious and gentle creatures. Some people even call them the dogs of the sea. And it's pretty amazing to be surrounded by such large animals. That is, until you flood your housing. I brought my housing into the water. I didn't make sure that the O-ring was perfectly cleared of sand. And so I'm gonna put this in a rice bath, and we're never gonna do that again.